Maxim 67. Fortunate men, humans, are admonished by the adventures and similes of those who have preceded them, before those who follow them can use the event as a proverb, like thieves who shorten their hands, lest their hands be cut off. Yeah, you can learn from life and experience and all that stuff. But, well, I guess nowadays you're probably better off than most people if you can do that. But much, much better would be to say, let's consider the past, The bird does not go to the grain displayed when it beholds another fowl in the trap. Take advice by the misfortunes of others, that others may not take advice from thee.